In this short tutorial, I will show you how to find someone on Instagram using their phone number. Finding someone on Instagram by phone number can be a useful way to connect with friends or colleagues who may not have shared their username with you. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Accounts Center. And then scroll down a bit and tap Your Information and Permissions. And then tap Upload Contacts. Select your Instagram account. What you want to do next is simply toggle on this switch over here. This will sync and connect your contacts with Instagram. Allow permission if asked. Once you grant permission, Instagram will sync with your phone's contacts and search for anyone who has linked their phone number to their Instagram account. If a match is found, their profile will appear in the search results. You can then tap on their profile to view their posts and follow them if you wish. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.